Cabinet refacing, a smart renovation choice. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a popular home improvement topic, cabinet refacing. If you're thinking about giving your kitchen or bathroom a fresh new look without the high costs and hassles of a full renovation, then you're in the right place. Cabinet refacing is a cost-effective way to update your kitchen or bathroom cabinets. Instead of completely replacing the cabinets, cabinet refacing involves replacing only the cabinet doors and drawer fronts. The existing cabinet boxes are kept in place, and their exterior surfaces are covered with a new veneer or laminate to match the new doors. This process transforms the appearance of your cabinets without the need for a full demolition and rebuild. Choosing cabinet refacing offers several benefits. 1. Cost-effective. Refacing your cabinets costs significantly less than buying and installing new ones. 2. Time-saving. The process is quicker than a full cabinet replacement, meaning less disruption to your daily life. 3. Variety of styles. You have a wide range of materials, colors, and finishes to choose from, allowing you to customize your space to your taste. 4. Eco-friendly. Since the cabinet boxes are reused, less material ends up in the landfill, making this a more sustainable option. Understanding the process can help set your expectations. 1. Assessment. A professional will assess your existing cabinets to ensure they are suitable for refacing. 2. Selection. You'll choose the new doors, drawer fronts, and veneer materials. 3. Preparation. The existing cabinet surfaces are prepared for adhesion, and old doors and drawer fronts are removed. 4. Installation. New veneers are applied to the cabinet boxes, and new doors and drawer fronts are installed. 5. Finishing touches. Handles, knobs, and other hardware are installed, giving your cabinets a complete and polished look. Cabinet refacing is an excellent option for those looking to update their space without the cost and hassle of a full renovation. It's cost-effective, offers a variety of style options, and is more eco-friendly than a complete overhaul. We hope this video has illuminated the benefits and process of cabinet refacing for you. Thank you for watching, and happy renovating!